This video will show you how to unmerge cells in Google Sheets. As we can see in this Google Sheets file, this cell have been merged. What we want to see is to unmerge this. To unmerge this, let's select the cell, and at the upper part of the screen, click the Merge Cells icon. And you'll see that the cells have been unmerged. From one cell, it returned to its original count. Let's try it one more time. Select a merged cell. Click the Merge Cells icon to unmerge them. Once more, click a merged cell and click Merge Cells icon here to unmerge the cells. If you want to make it more visible, you can add borders on it. Other cells as well, such as this. Click the cell and then click this Merge Cells icon to unmerge those cells. As you can see, it's been unmerged. Once more, this one consists of merged cells as well. Click the Merge Cells icon to unmerge them. Yeah, it turned back to its original count. And the last one would be this. I'm going to select the cell that has been merged before and click the Merge Cells icon to unmerge it. And that's how you unmerge cells in Google Sheets. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more bite-sized tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.